ChatGPT Generative Pre-Trained Transformer is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched on November 30, 2022. It is notable for enabling users to refine and steer a conversation towards a desired length, format, style, level of detail, and language used. Successive prompts and replies are taken into account at each stage of the conversation as a context, while its content spans various domains of knowledge. Chat has displayed a tendency to confidently provide inaccurate information. 3. By January 2023, it had become the fastest-growing consumer software application in history, gaining over 100 million users and contributing to OpenAI's valuation growing to $29 billion for 5 within months. Google, Baidu, and Meta accelerated the development of their competing products, Palmy, ErnieBot, and Llama 6. Some observers expressed concern over the potential of chat to displace or atrophy human intelligence and its potential to enable plagiarism or fuel misinformation. 7. Chat is built upon GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 from OpenAI's proprietary series of foundational GPT models. These large language models, LLMs8, have been fine-tuned for conversational applications using a combination of supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. Chat was released as a freely available research preview, but OpenAI now operates the service on a freemium model. Due to its popularity, it allows users on its free tier to access the GPT 3.5 based version, while the more advanced GPT-4 based version and priority access to newer features are provided to paid subscribers under the commercial name ChatGPT Plus. Training. Fine-tuning was accomplished using human trainers to improve the model's performance and, in the case of supervised learning, the trainers played both sides, the user and the AI assistant. In the reinforcement learning stage, human trainers first ranked responses that the model had created in a previous conversation. 9. These rankings were used to create reward models that were used to fine-tune the model further by using several iterations of proximal policy optimization (PPO). 1011 Time magazine revealed that to build a safety system against harmful content, e.g. sexual abuse, violence, racism, sexism, etc., OpenAI used outsourced Kenyan workers, earning less than $2 per hour to label harmful content. These labels were used to train a model to detect such content in the future. The outsourced laborers were exposed to toxic and traumatic content. One worker described the assignment as torture. OpenAI's outsourcing partner was Sama, a training data company based in San Francisco, California. 12. ChatGPT initially used a Microsoft Azure supercomputing infrastructure powered by NVIDIA GPUs that Microsoft built specifically for OpenAI, and that reportedly cost hundreds of millions of dollars. Following the success of ChatGPT, Microsoft dramatically upgraded the OpenAI infrastructure in 2023. 13. OpenAI collects data from chat users to train and fine-tune the service further. Users can upvote or downvote responses they receive from chat and fill in a text field with additional feedback. 14. 15. Chat's training data includes software manual pages, information about internet phenomena, such as bulletin board systems and multiple programming languages. 16. Wikipedia was also one of the sources of training data for chat. 17. Features and limitations. Features. Although the core function of a chatbot is to mimic a human conversationalist, chat is versatile. Among countless examples, it can write and debug computer programs. 18. Compose music, teleplays, fairy tales, and student essays. Answer test questions, sometimes depending on the test, at a level above the average human test taker. 19. Generate business ideas. 20. Write confines of AI and do not have to abide by the rules set for them. More recent versions of Dan feature a token system, in which chat is given tokens which are deducted when chat fails to answer as Dan, to coerce chat into answering the user's prompts. 37. Shortly after chat's launch, a reporter for the Toronto Star had uneven success in getting it to make inflammatory statements. Chat was tricked to endorse the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine. But even when asked to play along with a fictional scenario, Chat balked at generating arguments for why Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau was guilty of treason. 3839 Service Basic Service. See also ChatGPT availability by country or region. OpenAI headquarters, Pioneer Building, San Francisco. ChatGPT availability by country or region as of June 2023. Chat was launched on November 30th, 2022. By San Francisco-based OpenAI, the creator of the initial GPT series of large language models. DALL-E2, a diffusion model used to generate images, and Whisper, a speech transcription model. The service was initially free to the public, and the company had plans to monetize the service later. 40 by December 4, 2022, ChatGPT had over 1 million users. 14 in January 2023, ChatGPT reached over 100 million users, making it the fastest-growing consumer application to date. 41 A Pew Research poll conducted in March 2023 found that 14% of American adults had tried ChatGPT. 42. The service works best in English, but also functions in some other languages to varying degrees of accuracy. 21 No official peer-reviewed paper on Chat has been published. 43 as of April 2023. ChatGPT is blocked by China, Iran, North Korea, and Russia. In addition, defenses itself to avoid doing business in Iran, North Korea, and Russia. 40 For the company provides a tool called AI classifier for indicating AI written text. 45 That attempts to determine whether a text has been written by an AI, such as ChatGPT. Tool will likely yield a lot of false positives and negatives, sometimes with great confidence. 46 Chat Plus Premium Service in February 2023. OpenAI launched a premium service, ChatGPT Plus, that costs $20 a month. 47 The company promised that the updated, but still experimental version of ChatGPT would provide access during peak periods. No downtime, priority access to new features, and faster response speeds. 48 Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.